Today's featured boat of the day is a 1963 Chris Craft 18-foot Holiday, and it had a 283 V8 Chevrolet engine in it, and about $15,000 of chrome doodads on it, plus the trailer, and it sold for $15,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And if you notice in one of the pictures, it says no reserve. And that's one of the chances you take when you put it at no reserve, is that it doesn't sell for quite as much as it should have, potentially. Because when it's no reserve, that's whatever it gets, that's what you get. And sometimes it's not as much as you expected. That's why you're always safe putting a reserve on it. But took a bunch of pictures of it for you to enjoy. And it's a nice boat. It's a nice size, an 18-footer. It's not too big or too small. And it's a good little runabout for a smaller lake and freshwater. So it definitely get a lot of looks and a lot of compliments, that's for sure. And I think somebody got a great deal on it. But anyway, that's today's featured boat of the day, a 1963 Chris Craft 18-foot Holiday with a 283 Chevrolet V8 engine in it. And I filmed it at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.